Welcome friends on Leo English Hub lecture 7, and today we are going to learn the next tense in the row. It is ninth number, perfect future tense, guys. Yes, here we have the tense on your screen, and its definition is an activity will have ended in the future. So obviously it is crystal clear over here that we will use the to be's form of will and shall followed by have and the past participle form of the verb. Here we have some examples, and as usual I have kept intact all the examples almost same as the previous tense, because with minor changes you can understand that what changes take place uh, when a sentence moves from one tense to another tense. So here the first example on your screen, the world will have experienced the effects of global warming. So will have experienced, yes, to be's form of will have and the past participle form of the verb experienced. Next example, second example is appearing on your screen, guys. My friends will have waited for me to call them. Again the same thing. Third example, people will have adopted eco-friendly practices in their routine. So will have adopted, yes. All the sentences that you are looking at the moment, and thousands of sentences that you can uh, come across while speaking or writing English in different forms of letters or essays in exam preparations like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE or Jawahar Navodaya or whatever. So thousands of these kind of sentences will be according to the definition that is on your screen at the moment. An activity will have ended in the future. These definitions are really very important, guys. If you understand and remember these definitions well, you won't face any difficulty in understanding tenses. Particularly you won't make any mistake, and it is my challenge, it is my guarantee. So we have 5 examples. You can press the pause button and write down the things that you have on your screen. You can make notes of it. Try to add 10 more sentences of this tense, perfect future tense. So friends, there is a little note as well about the to be's form of will and shall followed by have and the past participle form of the verbs. So try to make 10 more sentences. If you have any difficulty, just try to understand, try to make it clear, and making 10 more sentences will help you improve your thinking power. It will help you make more sentences on your own. So if you can write good on your own, you will be able to speak good as well. You will be able to write essays and letters expressing your own ideas and thoughts. You won't need to borrow ideas or things from anywhere else. So 10 more sentences, guys, and I'm moving ahead to the next tense in this lecture, and it is 10th number, continuous perfect present tense. That's it, guys. Continuous perfect present tense, and its definition is there appearing on your screen. An activity have or has been going on since or for some time. So here the to be's form of have or has, any one of them is used, followed by been, verb ing, that means the ing form of the verb. And here to indicate the time, two words, two prepositions, since or for, will be used to indicate time. Since is used to express duration, point of time, and for is used for duration. So I'm going to give you 5 examples with the same contents as earlier tenses. The world has been experiencing the effects of global warming for last decade. Here it is a duration, that's why we have used for. My friends, sorry, it should be have. My friends have been waiting for me to call them since today morning. Just make it correct, guys. My friends have been, or Yes, or you can remove the the s of plural. My friend has been waiting for me to call them since today morning. So it is my mistake, I'm sorry. I beg your pardon. Third example is appearing on your screen. People have been adopting eco-friendly practices in their routine since 1st January. I have been working hard to succeed in my career since my graduation. So graduation is a point of time, 1st January is a point of time, today morning is a point of time, and that's why three sentences in a row with the usage of since. Fifth example may contain for, I think, yes, for last 6 years at the end. So Tata has been developing new technologies in the auto sector for last 6 years. So whenever we have a duration to mention, we will use for, and whenever we have point of time, we will use since to indicate time over here. So please understand the definition again. An activity has been going on, has or have. Sometimes you have plural subject and you use have. So third person singular, if you have third person singular as a subject, you will use has, and in all the others pronouns you use have. Okay, so here we have 5 examples, guys. According to the definition, write down, try to understand. After writing, it will be more effective, and try to add 10 more sentences, guys. And if you want to clear, if you want to have a look at the rule of since and for, below is the link for our video, another video. You can clear your confusion about since and for by watching that video. I hope, guys, this lecture will be really helpful to understand the tenses in easier way. And thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much, guys.